Today, I'm exploring a mind-bending tech hack, turning YouTube videos into a data vault using QR codes. This cool idea was sparked by Brandon Kirtland's awesome video where they also encoded the binary file and uploaded it to YouTube. But we are going next level by using QR codes to beat YouTube's compression challenges. Let's get started. As Brandon also perfectly explained in his video, there's not really a limit of how much YouTube videos you can upload, so it's suitable for unlimited data storage. So why QR codes? Unlike the binary data approach, which gets difficult with YouTube's video compressions, QR codes are more resilient. This means even if YouTube compresses our video, it is still possible to decode the video into its original file. Today I'm going to take you step by step through this fascinating process. Our journey begins with a regular file, say a PDF file. We'll have to transform this file into something YouTube can store, video files. First up, we encode it into base64, a text-based format. QR codes can only store text data and not binary, so we have to encode it into base64. Unfortunately, this increases the original data size about 33%. Then we convert this base64 data into a bunch, and if I say a bunch, I mean a bunch, of QR codes. Each QR code is a piece of our puzzle. So we have to split the QR code data into smaller chunks. The maximum size for a QR code is 2965 bytes. In our case, we choose a chunk size of 1024 bytes and in dimensions 540 by 540. Using this approach, we can not only fit one QR code into the screen, but 6 QR codes. So in the finished video, we have 2 rows and 3 columns of QR codes in one frame. Next up is the fun part, movie making. But instead of Hollywood blockbusters, we're creating a blockbuster of data. Each 6 QR codes become a frame in our video. We stitch these frames together to create an MP4 file. Now we're ready for our YouTube premiere. Uploading this video to YouTube is like stashing our data in a digital time capsule. But thanks to the sturdiness of QR codes, our data remains intact, surviving YouTube's compression algorithms like a data ninja. Okay, our data is on YouTube, but how do we get it back? Here's where we play data detective. We download the video, decode each frame and break it back into individual QR codes. All the QR codes are decoded in the correct order and then appended to a string. This string is then base64 decoded and converted back to binary. The binary file is then saved and voila, we have our original file back. Before we wrap up, let's talk about pros and cons. This method is a creative use of YouTube, but it's not practical for larger sensitive files. On my machine I waited around 2 minutes for a simple 2 MB PDF file, but still it's a fun experiment. And that, my friends, is how you turn YouTube into a QR code vault. What do you think of this whole approach? Would you give it a try, or do you have other creative tech hacks up your sleeve? Drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and a big shout out to Brandon Kirtland for the inspiration. I linked his video in the description down below. Also, I put the link of the whole Python source code in the description. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe for more tech adventures. Stay curious and I'll see you in the next video.